practices. Moreover, AI enables remote monitoring and control of oil rigs, allowing for real-time data analysis and decision-making. This reduces the need for human presence in hazardous environments, significantly lowering the risk of accidents. This shift to remote operations further enhances worker safety and well-being, ensuring a healthier and more secure workplace. Section 4. Real-world AI in action safety first. Many oil and gas companies are already using AI safety systems. For example, some companies use AI to monitor pipelines for corrosion. Others use AI to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance proactively. Drones equipped with AI are also becoming increasingly common on oil rigs. These drones can inspect rigs for structural damage or gas leaks, replacing the need for humans to perform these dangerous tasks. Another example is the use of AI-powered robots for dangerous tasks like welding or inspecting confined spaces. These robots reduce the risk to human workers while improving efficiency and accuracy. Section 5. Navigating the future risks and rewards. While AI offers tremendous potential for oil rig safety, there are also significant risks to consider. The integration of AI can revolutionize how we monitor and manage safety protocols, but it is not without its challenges. One major concern is the possibility of AI system errors or malfunctions. These errors can lead to critical failures if not properly managed. It's crucial to have robust safety protocols and backup systems in place to mitigate such risks. Regular emergency drills and safety checks are essential to ensure preparedness. Another challenge is ensuring data security and privacy. With the increasing reliance on digital systems, protecting sensitive information becomes paramount. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data must be managed and processed efficiently to avoid any potential breaches. Protecting this data from cyber attacks or unauthorized access is paramount. Implementing strong cybersecurity measures is essential to safeguard the integrity of the systems. Despite these challenges, the benefits of AI in oil rig safety far outweigh the risks. AI can significantly enhance operational efficiency and worker safety. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated safety systems. These advancements will bring about a new era of safety and efficiency in the oil industry. These systems will further reduce accidents, protect workers, and safeguard the environment. The future of oil rig safety looks promising with the integration of advanced AI technologies.